How to turn on dark mode on Reddit. Hello and welcome to Tech It Simple. I'm back with a new quick and easy tutorial video on how you can turn on dark mode on Reddit. For that, you'll have to open any browser on your device and in the search bar, type reddit.com, then press enter to browse it. Now, you will be taken to the official website of Reddit. Here, make sure you have logged into your account. After logging in, you will reach to this interface of Reddit. Now, at the right side, you will find various icons. Click on your profile icon, and from there, you will see the dark mode option. Next to this dark mode option, you will find the toggle button which is currently disabled. Now, if you want to turn on your dark mode on Reddit, you just have to toggle this button and enable it. By doing so, your screen will be transitioned from light to the dark theme. Now, you can enjoy the seamless dark mode on your Reddit account. Dark mode not only saves power but also helps in reducing eye strain. So, in this way, you can turn on dark mode on Reddit. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Also, hit that bell icon to get notifications on more helpful tutorials. See you in the next video. Stay connected.